Hello, I am Mohammad Rafil Islam and my ID is 720311013, 31st batch of Department of Tourism and Hospitality Management. Today I am going to present my experience assigned on the topic the impact of COVID-19 in tourism and hospitality industry of Bangladesh. First of all, I am like to express my gratitude to my honorable teacher Munir sir for giving me an opportunity to tell something about this topic. COVID-19, a variant of novel coronavirus, is the most buzzword in the whole world this day. Almost all business sector of the world is facing an area of complexities created by this situation. The situation is not positive for Bangladesh as well. To being travel industry not deal with travel destination, but it is connected with many other initiatives directly or indirectly. For example, transportation system, plane, bus company, cruise ship, and accommodation facilities like hotel, motel, resort, and tourism service provider like travel agency and tour operator. All of these are connected with this industry. Because of the COVID-19 issue, the whole world is halted for the last few months. There is no war going on, but the whole world is maintaining emergency lockdown situation for the national safety issue. Traveling from one country to another is totally prohibited. Almost all of the countries of the world are shut down. Every domestic and international flight have cancelled their flight. The result of this cancellation is directly impact to tourism and hospitality management system across all over the world. Therefore, all resort hotels are totally vacant. In perspective of Bangladesh, we have 12 to 15 5-star hotel. Besides, we have more than 600 3-star or 2-star rated hotel, motel and resort. And many hotel, motel, resort are providing their service in every corner of Bangladesh who are not in the listed. These service provider providing livelihood to hundreds of thousands of people. According to the Pacific Asia Travel Association, Bangladesh chapter till May 2020, the world will face a loss of 97.05 billion USD or marking dollar for tourism sector alone. Tourism experts assume that if the lockdown situation continues, Bangladesh will have to face a loss of more than 3 billion taka. Research show that more than 1 million people who are connected with this industry are risks at losing their job. To recover this situation, the entire tourism sector and policymakers should work together for restart these activities. Thanks for your patience. That's all.